Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix your Cash App if it's blocking the payment. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic for you to fix this type of error. So first of all guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on your profile icon and you can easily see verify your identity option. Tap on that and you can easily go to the personal info, and from here guys you have to enter the required documents. Okay guys, now after entering the required documents guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. If it's not working, then go back. Now from here guys, scroll it down all the way and you can find sports section here. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down and you can find the limits option here. So you can see here guys, account setting option, you can see view limit, and now you have to make sure that if you have the limit to receive or send the money, then go back from here. Now from here guys, scroll it down all the way and now you can easily find the chat section here. So from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to chat with the Cash App support team to resolve your issue. Okay guys, hopefully they will resolve your issue after contacting them. So that's pretty much for today's video. If this is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.